Hi students, today we're going to talk about circles. How can you find the radius, diameter and area of a circle if you are given the circumference? So we have to understand that in a circle the middle point is called the center, and from the center to any point is called the radius, and 2 times the radius is called the diameter. Okay, and the circumference is nothing but the total length around a circle, like from here all the way back over here. That's called circumference. Now in this case the circumference is given to be 37.68. We know that the formula for circumference is 2 times pi times radius, or diameter times pi, because 2 times radius is diameter, so both formulas work for the circumference. Another word for circumference is perimeter. Perimeter of a circle is called circumference. So instead of circumference, I'm going to plug in the formula which says 2 times pi times radius. The circumference is given to be 37.68. So to solve for r, we have to cancel the 2 times pi on both sides. So we cancel the 2 and 2, pi, and we get the radius as 37.68 divided by 2 times. I want you to use pi as 3.14. So 2 times 3.14, when you divide it, you get 6. So once you get the radius is 6, we can put r is 6 here. And we know that the diameter is 2 times 6, which is 12. And the area, the formula for area of a circle is pi times radius square. So instead of pi, you have to put in 3.14. And 6 square is 36. So your answer is going to be 113.04 units square, whatever unit that might be. So this is the basic information of circles. Now I want to talk to you about equation of a circle. How can you write the equation of a circle from a given graph? Before that, let me go back to the previous screen. Let me clear this problem and let me show you the first equation in this screen itself. So the equation of a circle, is this. It's given as x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equal to radius square, where the center, the coordinates of the center is h and k, and r is your radius. Okay, so this right here is your center, the coordinates is h and k, and radius is this length r. So here we know that h and k are 0 because that's the origin, 0, 0. So instead of h, you can put 0 the whole square, plus y minus, instead of k, you can plug in 0 the whole square. Let's count the radius, 1, 2, 3. Here radius is 3, so you can put 3 square. So x minus 0 is just x. So this equation will become x square plus y square is equal to 3 square is 9. So basically what I'm trying to say is the equation of a circle is given by this equation right here, and the equation of this circle given right here is given by that equation. So this is a general equation of a circle. So let's go back to our problem. Write the equation of the circle from the given graph. So first we write the actual equation. X minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equal to radius square. The center here is your h and k. So we know that this is 0, 0. So we go -1, -2. So it's -2. And we had to go 1 up. So that's a 1. So our h is -2. K is 1. And the radius, we can just count here. It's 1, 2, 3. The radius is 3. Now all we have to do is plug it into this equation. X minus, and h is another -2. So minus of -2. That's how it's going to be. The whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equal to radius square. So let's rewrite it and write it as x. 2 negatives makes a positive. 2 the whole square plus y minus 1 the whole square is equal to 9. Same like this, if they gave you the equation, write the equation of a circle given that the center is -4, 5 and radius is radical 5. So in the same equation, we plug in these numbers. Write the equation always first. X minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equal to radius square. We know that h and k are given to be -4 and 5, and the radius is square root of 5. So instead of h, plug in -4. So minus of negative will become, we'll do the next step. X minus -4 the whole square plus y minus 5 the whole square is equal to radical 5 square. So here two negatives will become a positive. So that's x plus 4 the whole square plus y minus 5 the whole square is equal to, the radical and the square root will cancel and you will just get the number 5. So I hope you're able to do the rest of the questions by yourself.